Hi everyone, this is Jamela back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Well, it's been a while since I shared a Thrift with Me video, and I got some goodies to share with you. So let's get started. A while back, my sister and I went thrifting and we saw this beautiful china cabinet in the thrift store. And oh my God, it was just absolutely stunning. I mean, it was very vintage. It was in pristine shape. The beveled glass on it was just beautiful. I mean, this thing was a beaut, and it was only $250. It had me thinking all kind of crazy thoughts on how can I get this home. Finding cute carved tables are always nice, and this one was $15. And for the house that we're working on, we needed a vanity sink, but I found this pedestal one which was perfect, and that was $35 with a faucet too. And I found the floor tile, and those were only $1.50. So for $50, I was able to buy a sink, faucet, and floor tiling. Up next, feast your eyes on this beautiful bedroom set. I mean, it's the full headboard and the dresser and the slats and the side rails. Everything was $350. This is a beautiful piece, all hand carved, and I love the style of this. If I only had a truck. But next up was another sofa, a love seat rather, and this one was only $75 in very good shape. I've said it over again, I have a lamp fetish, and this chinoiserie style lamp was only $4. This blue vintage one, it's always there and I think it's calling me, but I will not get it. Nope, but it was $3. And of course, this ginger jar shaped one, that was $5. So lamps are really out there. And this modern style dinette table caught my eye at only $80. Again, wishing I had a truck, but I did not need that table, so it's a good thing it was already sold. Looking for light fixtures for this house, I saw this one and I thought it would be nice in the kitchen, but for some reason I couldn't figure out how to put the light bulbs in, so I just left that, but it was nice at $25. I thought this was a cool set, you know, a sofa and love seat, and it kind of reminds you of the ones that selling on Wayfair or whatever, but this whole set was only $200 for the sofa and the chair. And I caught another dining room table, and look at the carvings on this table. Now, it's very sleek and modern, but yet has a bit of an antique feel, and I just love the wood on this. And this dining room table was only $75. I mean, just look at the carvings on this. And it had a double leaf, very long table, but it was really, really nice. I saw these handles at $5, and I thought that was a bit much because they were plastic-like. Again, more glasses, so I didn't get those, but they were nice at $5. And another lamp that's kind of modern-like, and that was $20. A little pricey, but still not bad at all. And then here we had another sofa that I liked. This one was, I think it was $125, but still a great price. And then I saw this green one, and this had all the mid-century vibes, and I liked that for $75. This kitchen dome light, or wherever you want to put it, but this was only $12, so I did get that. And then at a flea market, I saw the black planter, and he said it was $5, but then I said, okay, I'll take it. And he said, well, if you take all of them, I'll give you all of them for $10. So I took all of them, and I had my little treat in that one, so that's perfect. And then a big score at the Restore Habitat was this vintage coffee table. This table was marked for $2,200, and I was like, oh my God, that's a lot of money. But then they also had shown where one sold for $11,000. So theirs did sell for $800 when they had a sale. I was there when the lady bought it. I was jealous, but I didn't need it. Anyway, and I did score this room divider off the Facebook Marketplace, and that was $40, and I did get that one. Dishes, dishes, dishes. What am I going to do other than keep buying them? I got to stop. But I did buy this one for $4, this set here. And you know what? I really like it. And I just did a little simple tablescape, you know, for like a Sunday afternoon brunch or whatever. And they're nice, simple vintage dishes. But how could I pass this whole setup for $4? Impossible. It all reminds me back to my kitchen setting where the Golden Girls meet like the boho glam. But anyway, I like the set, so now I do use it as my everyday set along with the glasses. So for less than $10, I have a new set. And last but not least, I found a set of these Natchman crystal bowls. I mean, these are just nice, simple, everyday bowls to use around instead of just plastic. Well, I don't do plastic anyway, but I think these are nice just to have when you're having a little treat or a little ice cream, a dessert, or even a bowl of cherries. And like my sister said, life is like a bowl of cherries. You just spit out the pits and enjoy the crystal. So there you have it. Those were my Thrift with Me finds, and I hope you enjoyed it and got excited like I did. So hit those thrift stores and estate sales, and remember, happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode. And if you like this video, please drop me a comment, like, and share. I'll see you again